This is the Anker MagSafe compatible 3-in-1 charging stand model A25M3. And the big thing about this stand is it actually has a Qi2 MagSafe charging pad for your iPhone, which is going to allow it to charge faster than pretty much any non-Apple charging pad. This is a really great feature to have in a 3-in-1 stand. So you've got the MagSafe slot for your iPhone, you've got a 5-watt Apple Watch charger, and you've got a 5-watt wireless charging pad that's perfect for keeping your AirPods or other headphones charged as long as they support wireless charging. And the other really cool thing about this stand is you can also use certain AirPods with the watch charger, so you can always put that on there and still have the wireless pad available for other devices as well. And the AirPods Pro 2 even work with MagSafe as well, so you can always put them on the MagSafe charger if you want to. So this is a very sleek and versatile charging station. Whenever you get it out of the box, you notice that Anker really went for a more elegant look with this. It's available both in black and white. And they also include everything in the box that you need to use the stand. You get the stand, which has no moving parts, a USB-C cord that plugs into the back of it, and you also get a 40-watt USB-C power adapter as well. What I really like about this stand is the fact that it has a less techy look to it and a more elegant look. So I just think Anker definitely did a great job at giving this the premium appearance. One thing I did notice when I first went to use it, I put my Apple Watch on it. I find that sometimes it's a little hard to keep the watch on straight if you have the phone on before. And you also can use the phone in vertical orientation, or you can also turn the phone sideways if you want to use the standby mode on the iPhone. I find that this works really well on it as well, and you can set up different standby screens within your iOS settings. So this stand is going to be compatible only with MagSafe compatible iPhones, and if they have a case on it, the case needs to support MagSafe as well. So this means it can use the iPhone 12 and newer. One other subtle feature on the stand is there's actually an LED on the front, but it only comes on whenever you put something on it. So the light will turn on for just a second and then it'll shut off just to let you know that your device is currently charging on it. And another thing that's kind of interesting is they don't give you a non-slip pad for the wireless charging, but I find that it does tend to hold the AirPods Pros pretty well, but they also give you a couple stickers that you can put on as well to add a little bit more gripability, but I didn't find it necessary to use those. One of the other nice things about the Anker 3-in-1 stand is it does include Active Shield and all the other Anker technology that is monitoring the temperature, making sure that this charger is operating within the parameters that it's supposed to. So I definitely recommend the Anker brand just because they are known for being a really safe and reliable brand. And they also give you a 24-month warranty with the 3-in-1 stand as well. So you know they're going to have your back if you have any issues with it at all. A couple things to note about the performance. The phone charger comes in at 15 watts on the MagSafe, and then the Apple Watch and the AirPods chargers are at 5 watts as well. And the charging speeds that you get are going to depend on the devices you have. So the newer Apple devices support faster charging speeds than some of the older ones. I still have an Apple Watch Series 4, so I'm not able to take advantage of the newer, faster charging speeds that the Apple Watches can have. But this charger is able to charge the latest versions of the Apple Watch from about 0% to 50% in 30 minutes. So this is a great option for you if you want to sleep with your Apple Watch on at night, or if you want to charge it while you're taking a shower, because this is going to be able to quickly top off your watch. You're also going to find that this charges your phone about 20% in 15 minutes. So this is going to give you very fast charging speeds for your newer iPhone as well. So I really like the Anker 3-in-1 charging stand because it looks really sleek and it keeps my Apple trifecta charged. And I don't have to worry about having a bunch of different power adapters plugged into the wall or a bunch of different cables going everywhere. I think the biggest con to this version of the chargers that they're coming out with now is the fact that it doesn't fold up. So if you want to travel with it, you're still going to be stuck with this big charging stand, and it does have kind of a hefty feel to it. There's a non-slip pad on the bottom of it, so it stays in place on your nightstand, your desk, your dresser, wherever you keep this. So this is not a stand designed for travel. This is designed to stay in one place in your home. I mean, you could travel with it, but who wants to carry this around? I do have another MagGo 3-in-1 charger I'm testing out. This is the 2557, and this one actually folds up and unfolds, and it still has your Apple Watch charger, your headphone charger, and your 15-watt charger on the front as well. This one is a little bit more expensive, but if you want something that's going to be more portable, just look at the difference in size. This one is going to be a much better option. But if you're looking for a slightly more affordable and sleeker looking charging station that just stays in one spot, and I really do recommend buying the Anker 3-in-1 charging stand. It comes in at $90, which definitely is not an amazing deal, but it is really nice that they give you the cable, the charging brick, and the stand all in the box. You don't have to worry about wires going everywhere, and it's just going to take one outlet to use it. So I think in terms of value, the stand definitely is not an insane value, but it does give you that really nice premium look and feel, being able to keep all your stuff charged in one sleek setup. If you're interested in buying the Anker A25M3, I do have links in the description below. If you want to check out any of my other favorite Anker chargers, power banks, or other accessories, I have links in there as well. Like this video, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any upcoming content.